In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Resend with Lovable AI using an API key. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just someone looking to expand the capabilities of your applications, integrating your platforms with APIs can offer substantial benefits and increased functionality. The process we're going to cover today is both straightforward and highly effective. So let's dive right in. To begin, you need to obtain your Resend API key from the Resend service dashboard. The API key is essentially your unique identification that allows you to interact programmatically with the Resend service. Start by logging into your Resend account. Once you're in the dashboard, look around for a section labeled API keys or something similar. Once there, you'll either find an existing API key or be prompted to generate a new one. Simply follow the directions given to obtain this key. Remember, this key is sensitive information, so keep it secure. It's a bit like a password. It grants access to your Resend resources, and you wouldn't want it falling into the wrong hands. After securing your Resend API key, the next step is to log into your Lovable AI account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section of your dashboard labeled Integrations or API Settings. Different platforms sometimes use varying terms, but you're essentially looking for where you manage external API connections or plugins. In this section, you'll need to locate the field where you can add external API keys. This is where our Resend API key will be pasted. This step ensures that Lovable AI recognizes and gains permission to use Resend's features and services via your account. Once you've found this field, go ahead and paste in the Resend API key that you obtained earlier. With the API key placed carefully in the designated area, it's crucial to save your settings. Most dashboards will have a Save button prominently displayed once you input new data. Clicking Save commits your changes and updates the integration settings. Confirm that the settings have been updated successfully before moving on. Finally, it's time to test the integration to ensure everything is set up correctly. You can do this by sending a sample request. Many platforms have built-in tools or sample scripts to help you simulate an API request for testing purposes. By sending this request, you're essentially running a test to verify that the two systems are communicating as they should. Monitor the request's success or failure messages closely to confirm if the API integration was successful. And that's it. Integrating Resend with Lovable AI opens up a realm of possibilities for increased automation and functionality in your workflows. With everything in place, you're prepared to start leveraging Resend's features directly through Lovable AI. Thank you for joining me today, and happy integrating.